beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while since I filmed a video. You know, I had to take a little break, kind of figure out what I wanted to do. Still want to cook, that's why you're here, and I'm just gonna do a little something different because I can. So we hear some chowing down there. That is Milo just eating his dinner. Sweating, it is hot in here. Have you guys ever went onto the internet or picked up a cookbook and looked at a recipe and you're like, this looks pretty good, let's try this out? And maybe once you try it, it doesn't look that good or it doesn't taste that good. So this is where I come in. I am gonna be cooking those recipes and seeing if they are worth your time and worth your money and worth your taste buds, or if you should just, you know, order out. This new segment is going to be called Am I Doing This Right? So today we're going to be cooking a recipe from Chrissy Teigen's cookbook. And don't mind these post-its right here. These are just my reminder of what recipes I'd like to cook. So today we are going to be cooking this barbecue, what is this called? Hold on, one second. Pulled barbecue chicken sandwiches with pineapple slaw. Just kidding. What the hell? I gotta make sauce? Girl, okay. In a medium Dutch oven, heat the oil over medium-high heat until shimmering hot. I thought it was simmering. Anyways, add the chicken in one layer, work in batches if you have to, and brown it until golden all over, 3 to 4 minutes per side. Transfer to a plate and set aside. Add the onion to the pan and cook, stirring until golden, 9 to 10 minutes. Add the garlic and cook 2 more minutes. Add the tomato paste and cook, stirring for 2 minutes. Welcome back. Since you guys were gone because the phone overheated, I have cooked down the onions. I was cooking it for about like 10 minutes. I put in the garlic and cooked that for about another 2 minutes. Then I put in the tomato paste and stirred it around and stuff. So now it looks like this, and it's been about 2 minutes. So now we're gonna put in our other ingredient. Add the ketchup, tomato sauce, a 1/4 cup of water, vinegar, brown sugar, chipotles, mustard powder, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of pepper. Bring to a boil, reduce to a simmer, and cook uncovered until the sauce is thick, 4 to 5 minutes. Return the chicken and any juices to the pan, cover and simmer until the chicken is very tender, about 1 hour. Add a few splashes of water if necessary to keep them from getting too dry. Remove from the heat and let cool. Shred the chicken with 2 forks right in the sauce. It will be pretty easy to shred. Keep covered in the Dutch oven until ready to serve. In a big bowl, combine both cabbages, the carrots, scallions, and pineapples. In a separate bowl, whisk together the mayo, vinegar, granulated sugar, salt, and pepper. Pour the dressing over the slaw, toss, and refrigerate until ready to serve. I'm just gonna make one for me right now, and then I'll make the rest for James later. So I'm gonna get some chicken, just like that. Oop, is that too much? I don't know. And we're gonna get some of the slaw and just put that on top. See if I can find a lonely pineapple. There. I'm gonna put this on top. And there you go. Now we got a sandwich. Okay guys, so I'm here for the taste test. Let's try it out. This is what it looks like. A little bit messy, but I kind of like my pulled chicken sandwiches kind of messy because then I kind of like to eat it with my fingers after. So let's try this out. This is gonna, oh my god, look at this. Oh my god. It's so good. Like, especially with that bite. I got a bite of pineapple in it. And it's so, sorry, I got stuff stuck in my teeth. So when you first bite into it, you get that cooling sensation from the cabbage. You bite into it, you bite into this like warm, gooey, sticky, sweet, sour, savory chicken. And then you get that punch of pineapple and the bread just, oh my god. I'm so in love with it right now. I can't even talk. This is so good. One more bite, one more bite. I think like the only thing that I would change would be I'm just fucking lazy. I just wish it just, you know, cooked a little bit faster. I mean, an hour for the chicken to cook is a long time, you know, but I think at the end of the day, this was totally worth it for me. Yeah, I just wish it was like faster cooking time. It's delicious. So I think it's safe to say, I think I did this one right. This one's so good. I highly recommend it. I think this would be good for parties. You know, like a backyard shindig. We got some more. That, it's the coleslaw. Coleslaw like just gives it such, like it just balances everything out so nicely. Come on. The flavors were so nice. Never in a million years where I thought that I could make my own barbecue sauce. But I just made my own fucking barbecue sauce. Like, hands down, so good. I did barbecue pulled pork before in a slow cooker. And this just takes the cake. Slow cooker, I mean, it took me 6 hours, 6 to 8 hours to make. This took 1 hour. Okay, so I really shouldn't complain. I really shouldn't complain about the cooking time because I did cook an 8-hour pulled pork, which was bomb, by the way. But this, hands down, so easy to make. Most of the things I already had in my pantry. So it was fine. But let me just clean myself up a little bit. Be right back. So guys, that was my first episode of Am I Doing This Right? And I hope you guys liked it. I had a lot of fun doing it. You know, sometimes it's kind of nice not making up your own recipe and just following someone else's recipes and trying to see if it tastes good or not, because you know, there's a whole bunch of good cooks out there, and it's not only Chrissy Teigen. Of course, I'm going to be trying out other recipes that I find online that I find very interesting, and I want to see if it tastes good, and maybe it'll, you know, make me eat a little bit healthier. I'll try to cook something healthier. I know this wasn't the healthiest thing that I could have made, but I think this was like a fun recipe to start with. So I hope you guys had a great time watching this. If you guys have any other ideas, any other recipes that you guys would like me to try, please put them down below. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and also click that bell so you can know whenever I post a new video. And I am going to be posting as much as I can. My goal is once a week. I really like doing these videos. I also love editing them, so I'm like playing with my hands right here. You can see it in my monitor. It's like bothering me. Anyways, I'm so hungry. I want some more. So I'm gonna go eat some more. It's looking at me, but I gotta wait for James to, no, I'm gonna go eat some more. I'm not gonna wait for him, whatever. He's working out. Like a good boy, he's working out. Excuse me. So I'm gonna go eat. You guys enjoy yourself, try out this recipe, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys.